I'll be showing you step by step how to password protect URLs on your Shopify store. Now this can apply to any URL you choose, and I'll be showing you everything here. The way we're going to be doing this is using a completely free app on the Shopify App Store called Sammy B2B Lock. It makes it super simple to set up, and if you want to apply it to more than just a URL, it could be product pages, collections, Shopify pages, and it gives you quite a few different options in which users can then access it. I'll leave a link for this in the description below, but I'll click install here, and this will begin the installation sequence. To note, I've already installed it on the Shopify store, so it's going to redirect me to the app dashboard. But once you install it, it should redirect you to a similar page where it's going to ask you to create a lock. The first thing we're going to do is click create lock, and this is going to let us set up this app. So once you hit create lock here, you'll be brought to this specific page and we can give it a name. This is an internal name for us to recognize what this lock does. I'm going to call this lock URL. And the URL I want to lock is this About Us page here, so I'm going to call this About Us. Next up, we can decide what content to lock. So as mentioned, you get quite a few different options from the whole website, specific products, collections, blogs, pages, and URLs. The option we're into right here is specific URLs. So it's going to prefix my URL here. So I just want to copy the rest of it. So it's going to be masterclass.myshopify.com/pages/-about-us and so on. Next up, we can set up the locked conditions. So this is going to be who can or cannot access the content. It could be logged in customers, selected customers, visitors with a passcode, or visitors with a specific link. I'll set up a secret link here and I can change the access code to what I want it to be. I'm just going to put a random string of numbers, making it hard to guess. I'll hit add secret code here, which I can then add to the end of my URL to give customers access. Who I choose to, I could send it in an email or send it to them directly. I can next set up grant access for a limited period of time, and I could say for 1 day. And for the message, I could say something like you have the secret link, and I'll put a smiley face. I'll hit save here to finalize this lock, and I can see my lock has been created. Next up, I want to enable this in the app embed section of my Shopify theme. If I click on the app homepage here, there should be a quick setup guide that prompts you to enable the app embed. You could also just open up the Shopify theme editor directly. I'll click enable app embed here, and on the left hand side, we'll see our app embeds. We should see Sammy already searched up. It's been toggled on. And all I have to do is hit save in the top right. Let's go and check this out now. On the left hand side menu under online store, if I click view your online store, which should be that eye icon, I can click into this About Us page. And I can see the link is locked. And there's my message, you have the secret link. So if I head to a new window here at the bottom, I can enter in my link. I can go back to the app here. Because I didn't copy and paste that, I can click into this configuration and go get this access code here. So if I go and add this to the end of that URL, hit enter, I can see the About Us page is now being loaded correctly. Shopify store owners need to know where every dollar they spend is going. And that's where our sponsor of today's video comes in, and it's Profit Calc, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, letting you make smarter business decisions. It has tons of different details, analytics, and metrics, so you can really understand your store's performance in a very concise and easy to understand manner. It syncs seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, as well as many cost of goods sold options. I'll leave a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing directly. If you search for it in the Shopify app store as well, just look for this logo here, and there's a 15-day free trial, so you can test drive everything for yourself. So make sure you check out the link in the description below and start your free 15-day trial. This concludes the video here on how to password protect URLs on your Shopify store. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.